Now I want to compare the height of the plants that I put into these snail, especially the deal, and I want to compare it with my raised bed. So it was planted pretty much at the same time. I think the snail was even later. So let me see what's going on here. I don't know. Pretty much the same size. And what about, where's my, wait, where's my third cucumber? It was here. Did somebody just eat it? Somebody eat it? What? So I don't have any deal? I don't have any deal in between? Oh no, I have one. But where's the cucumber? My very first one. That's insane. So it looks like I need to protect it. Or I don't know. Or was it my mom? I don't know. Okay, so I'll need to put another one in here. And the experiment I was planning to do is to put 3 cucumbers in one raised bed and 4 cucumbers in another raised bed, and my mom put 5 in another raised bed. We'll see how it's gonna work. See, not all the plants survive the hot climate, and not only the hot climate but also lots of rain. I don't know, we'll see how many will survive. I wanted to let them grow higher and get stronger in the little pots, but my mom said no, it's time to put them. So I'm complaining. Yes, I am complaining because I don't like seeing them dead or almost dead. Always something new. I just called my mom, and yes, that was her. At least it's not birds or something. But yeah, she said, oh, cucumber has died, I buried him. Why? May I do it myself, alright? And what about this? Like, I'm coming here and I see this. So my mom was planting the flowers along the fence, and did she just miss these? Now I'll need to put them in the ground. I don't want them to die. So change of the plans. You know, I was planning to dig, but now I'm gonna plant. Alright, let's do it. My hands already tried to ruin them. See, like messed it up completely. So now I'm not sure if this can survive. Oh my gosh. That's not the best experience, honestly. It was so good. Bad hands. And now I need to do the fence or some kind of fence to protect the plant from the hands. I want much more roots in here. Oh, so many tiny ones. Little tiny ones. Maybe I need to put them back into the snail. This is a huge one. This is a huge one. Oh wow. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do some kind of fence. I'll improvise. Is anybody afraid of the spiders? This is like all full, like filled with a spider web. I cannot focus on it. That is, this guy is very orange and green. Come on, focus. No, hard to show. Alright, so there were only a few flowers left in here, so I decided to plant it myself and not waiting for my mom. So I'll just plant them. I'll make a fence, and I'll hope they will survive. Because if they will, it's gonna be beautiful. The roots are huge. They are just tremendous. Look, this snail. Look right here. Look at these. Look at these roots. Just look at this. It is huge. Look, it goes all the way down. Isn't that amazing? Wow. So I need to dig really deep to get them in. Really nice soil in here. Get them one by one. And a few more. Another one. Whoa, look at this root. Isn't that amazing? Awesome. You have to survive, my friend. You have to survive. Okay, and one more? No, two more. And what is this? I don't know. Is this cucumber? Is this the cucumber she took from my raised bed and planted it here? Because it looks like cucumber. Yeah, looks like cucumber for me. Oh my gosh. Friends. Okay. And now we're gonna cover it from the chicks, from the hen, from the rooster, from all of them. Okay, protected. Let's go and put the cucumber back. I mean, it's gonna be not the old one, but the new one. Alright. Something strange is gonna be here. Flowers, cucumbers, sunflowers, flowers, cucumbers. But we'll see how it goes. So So there we go. It was right in here, and that's where we're gonna put it back. Probably put mulch and hope for the best.